Good morning, everyone. So we are actually headed this morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. We're leaving Fort Lauderdale and we are headed to Belize. Specifically, we're going to Placencia. So we have a couple of plane rides. We're going to take an Uber to the train, then the train to the airport, and from the airport we'll take a flight to Belize City, and then from Belize City we'll hop on a pedal jumper that will then get us to, Placencia. So we'll see you in a few hours.
Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey.
Well, good morning. We are at the Tri-Rail station in Fort Lauderdale, along with this pigeon here. And this morning we are headed to Belize. So it should be about a 6-hour flight. Well, not 6 hours, but it takes about 6 hours to travel. And we'll see you when we get there. Well, we got to the airport plenty in advance. Waiting about 2 hours, but we got to the airport plenty of time. We have actually had 2 hours. Our flight is on time. Well, we got to the airport in plenty of time. We had over 2 hours, so we had time to grab breakfast. Our flight to Belize is on time. We fly out at 10:40 and we get in at 1:15 their time. No, 11:15 their time, but they're 2 hours behind. So then we have to take a pedal jumper. That'll be the fun part of the adventure. So we have boarded. Scott's sitting in the aisle, and I gave up my offer on a business class seat. I don't know. It's just, when we went to Barbados, I ended up flying first class. Then this time I decided to give it up. So, anyways, it should be a 2-hour flight, and then we have to take a pedal jumper. So, here we go. We zipped in really quick, and they're getting us on quick. So, they just kind of do it as a first come, first serve, even though you have a flight. Oh dear Lord, I hate these planes. But we're here. Oh my, okay. Okay, so we're on our plane. We literally landed, flying through the airport, and now we're here. There's only 3 of us on this little tiny airplane. And I'm this is on this. Still not a fan. Oh my gosh.
So wait till you get on the little one.
I know.
There you go.
Okay, so we made it. So thank God we did not have to make multiple flights. That flight typically makes a couple stops. Dariga, I think Bright, probably not even saying those right. We came straight to Placencia, which is fabulous. Now we're just waiting for the resort to come pick us up. non-eventful. I mean, when I say you rush in, and the airport's expanded, but when I mean you rush in, you land, you go through customs, you go through immigration, and then they go, you're on the 11 o'clock flight, and it was and it was 11:20, and then they were calling our names over the loudspeaker, and we ran, and there was only 3 of us on the airplane, so we're here, and I can't wait.
I use a lot of wood.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, mahogany.
This one here?
You want to sit in front?
Yeah, I'll sit up front. So weird to be back here. Well, hi everyone. We are here in Placencia, Belize, and this is actually a cool story because back in 2016, I helped the resort do a lot of pre-opening. The original plan was for me to move here, but then I would have been away from Scott for a year. Yeah, it wasn't in the cards. So when I was here, the whole resort was just about under construction. And I'll put the photos somewhere. We'll fill in the photos. But now we're back, and we're going to give you a tour of this magnificent resort. We're right on the coast here, and actually the beach. This is a beachfront studio that we're staying at. This is the one I toured back in 2016, and we're going to stay in it. So I'm actually really excited. So come on in and let me give you a tour. Oh, does it feel good in here? So, as you saw on the flight, we're both a little sweaty. So this is called a studio beachfront villa. I'm calling it a villa because it reminds me of a villa. And oh, it is just, the smell smells good. I mean, it's got that like mahogany spa, but it's got a beautiful, all the furnishings. And the other thing I should mention is like the ceilings. I don't know if Scott will be able to get a real good shot of this, but the beams, the wicker for the lights, all of the wood, all of these pieces came from either Belize, Honduras, Guatemala. They came from local areas, and that's what they're all about, is promoting local. So they've really divested back into the country. So we've got, and they look fantastic. We had a full tour on a golf cart, and she came in and she gave us all the instructions for Wi-Fi, how to use the TV, towels, where to get ice, how to lock the door. Again, you have a king size bed here. Then what's cool is you have a side door, and this is where they bring you, the housekeepers come in and out, the room service staff comes in. Again, another piece that I'm talking about, this was carved locally. Really beautiful. Same thing with these lanterns. In here, we have like a little breakfast, I don't know, liquor, what do you call this, bar? Breakfast bar?
Yeah.
They say the water
Coffee
is
bar.
safe to drink. I still might buy some bottled water, but we bought special straws. It comes with a coffee grinder, coffee cups. Comes with wine glasses. Ice maker, not ice maker, fridge.
And freezer.
And freezer. All your utensils, not that we're going to eat in our room. In here, you have a safe and extra blankets. Not going to need that. What was in here?
Closet.
A closet with robes. You have a toilet room, and then you have his and her vanity. You have a soaking tub, which I probably won't use.
And indoor shower.
Huh?
It's an indoor shower
But it's
as
also
well.
an indoor shower. But the best part is the outdoor shower. And this is where you shower. Is that cool or what? Just don't remember how it works. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
So, and you have an outdoor shower. Is it wild or what?
Where it's nice and humid, so as soon as you're done showering, you'll still be hot and sweaty.
So we're excited. This is we're going to have so much fun. So we're going to relax today. We'll tour around, give Scott a quick tour of the place. We're going to go snorkeling tomorrow. We've got a spa day. We're doing the howler monkeys. Belize on Friday. We'll go into town and see the village. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go grab some lunch, and then we're gonna take you on a tour. We're gonna go check out the kayaks and the spa and just really kind of walk around. I'm gonna take Scott down to Coco Plum, which is where I had a condo rented. Again, I was moving here. We'll try to maybe run into the owner and say hi to Stuart. And again, thank you to Naia for taking such great care of us. And we're excited to show you guys around. So come on and let's check out the rest of the resort. So I took a ton of pictures when I was here years ago. Now we're gonna go grab lunch. And to give you an idea, these are these villas. They go all the way down. And the pool and the main restaurants are down this way. And then we'll go down one more to Coco Plum just to see where it was I was going to live, and then we'll circle back. We'll do the spa. It's crazy. It's so peaceful here though. So how was the water? How was the water?
It's like bath water.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This is the pool, and they do have a small sundry. I forgot I needed to do this. Just a quick for a friend here. Let's see. So we've got just a small little shop, whatever you need. They've got bug spray. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do a quick little tour now that we've had lunch. And this is, they do their own garden for their veggies. So you got cilantro, basil. It's gonna be hard to grow.
Oh yeah.
Where was the kayaks?
I think they're down there somewhere along the beach. You got to be on the beach side.
Oh. Well, if you want to go to the beach side, I don't know if we can. Is this the other road? I don't know if we can get to Coco Plum from here, but let's see.
It's over there.
Oh, then I think we can go this way. Oh, we'll find out. There's beach. Okay, so we walk down this road, and this is a new little shack. Wasn't here before. It looks like this is where you can get kayaks. This dock is new. So we just asked them, because of all this dark, I wasn't sure if they had sea urchins, because they do have a paddle board here in this little, well, everything's so jungly you can't see. And they don't have an issue with sea urchins, but they do have a lot of stingrays. So they're giving us the old shuffle your feet lesson. But you've got a couple of chairs here, a couple of hammocks, which I'm not about to get into. And what's crazy is right here, possibly come Sunday, which is when we fly out, or sooner, a hurricane is coming. So you would get a direct hit, because that is straight out east. Let's hope not. So now we're walking. We've walked all the way down to where we just were. And I'm walking Scott over to another complex, which is called Coco Plum. So So these are Coco Plum, Boris Mansfield. He kind of the realtor down here. And I had rented this one on the first floor, but I didn't move. But they're very nice. And I think he may still have a couple. And this is the pool, which is also very nice. So after walking to Coco Plum, we made out to the main road. And let's just say we are way far away from the resort. We're inside the resort. Okay, we're off to dinner, and it is, one thing we'll say about here is blazing hot. I think the camera is already steaming up.
Steaming up, yeah.
So we've walked out to the road here because our other option is to walk through the beach. And I don't feel like getting all sandy. So didn't feel like getting all sandy.
Oh no, not at all.
But I mean hot. You can't possibly dry your hair. This is hot. But we're gonna have fun exploring.
We're gonna be glowing by the time we get there.
It's like a spa. It's like a detox spa. We are now off to dinner at the resort here. This is a very sleepy resort. They have two restaurants, but it's the same menu. One's one's upstairs, one's downstairs. We've been traveling all day. We're just gonna make it a quick one. We did shower and clean up, and as you can see how humid it is, don't even bother bringing a hairdryer. I didn't either. So this is what I was.
I mean, there's no way I would ever bring one.
So the one thing I'll say is that it is much more humid than Florida. And it reminds me of 2 years ago, I'll leave the link down below, I was in Staniel Key this same week, and it reminds me of Staniel Key. It's very, very hot and humid. So let's go see if we can find some dinner. Woohoo! Well, good morning everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video of the tour of the resort here in Naia and Placencia, Belize.
Today we're going snorkeling.
And you'll want to tune in. We don't know anything about this snorkeling trip, which we normally know. We don't know what they provide.
Yep.
We don't know where we're going.
But you'll all find that out next week, just like we are.
Yeah, and if you don't know, Belize has this, I think, the second or the third largest barrier reef in the world. I don't think that's where we're going. We're probably just going somewhere around the corner, but we'll find out. So tune in next week, and we'll see where we're going.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Hit the notification bell, right?
Yeah.
After all this time, you'd think I'd know that.
Thanks, everyone.
And subscribe.
See you later.
Bye.